How's it going, everyone? PRM Collectibles here with another video, and so today we have SSERAFIM. So let's get started. And so here I have SSERAFIM's second mini album, ANTIFRAGILE, and this is the frozen Aquamarine version. And like I mentioned in my previous SSERAFIM video, I ended up getting multiple albums from a local K-pop store, and so we're going in chronological order, and so now we have the second mini album, ANTIFRAGILE. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. And so this one you don't have to rip it up, so let's just go ahead and open this up. And of course I opened it upside down. And so first we'll start off with these, what look to me like stickers, but if I'm wrong, be sure to comment down below if I am. And so here we have ANTIFRAGILE, what I'm assuming are stickers. And of course, this is obviously sticker sheet, so this is very cool. We have all these different stickers. And now here we have a postcard. And so here we have the CD, which in my opinion is a little underappreciated these days. And so here we have the poster. Let's see if we could get it all in frame, and we can. So I really like the winter-like theme of this poster. And so here we have the photo book, which we'll just take a quick look. And now for my favorite part of K-pop unboxings, here we have the photo card, so let's see what we got here. And so overall, another great release. And again, I'm very new to K-pop. This is my second ever unboxing video. But this version of ANTIFRAGILE is really cool. I really like the winter-like theme in it. So the poster itself and then the photos in the photo book is really cool too. And it's always nice to get some extras like some stickers. And so that's it for SSERAFIM's ANTIFRAGILE. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Follow me at PR Mastodon on Twitter and Instagram. I do have a Livestream gaming channel on both Twitch and YouTube, PR Mastodon. So if you ever want to come hang out and chat, I'll be live there. And so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Tune this!